Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I will tell you exactly how you can earn money from YouTube while uploading your own video or any video. So watch the complete video. I will tell you exact path step by step how can you earn money from YouTube without uploading videos. This is the path named rumble.com. In this path you will simply download Rumble app or register on this and search from YouTube funny animal videos, and you will simply download videos from YouTube and you will upload on rumble.com. Simply that's the path, and you will get money for every view your video get. And it's a very simple path for those who do not have YouTube channel or they do not have monetization of their YouTube. You can start money from first day without uploading your videos and without monetization of your YouTube channel. It's very simple and very cool. So watch the video up to the end and I will tell you the whole path step by step. Let's see.
Search in your bar rebel.com and then select on the website. You will in the website there you can sign up. Okay, here you have to register your account. Simply select your name and username, and I am going to select name crazy animals. It is in must be small letters, so I am going to set it crazy animals hostel. Okay, what you want you can select. Okay, I am also going to change my name related to my category. Okay, you can also select your name related to your niche or related to your videos. Here you can select password. It must have special characters, small letters, and capital letters. Here you have to put your email address. Retype your email address and then select your country. And I am selecting Pakistan and I am from Pakistan, so you have to select your own country. Okay, then select your date of birth. Okay, okay, some there are optional fields. Okay, it is up to you, you select or not, but I am selecting. Okay, here I am going to select my province Pakistan and then check the mark and then register. Here complete the images and verify. Okay, okay, register. Then I will have to register my email account. Let's see, here I have received an email and I am going to click it and going to register it here. So my account is successfully successfully verified, done. So let's come on to Rumble. Here you can see the menu and let's see it's menu good. Here are different channels to follow. Let's see, it's my account and account overview. Here my earnings show as I have already started the channel, so my earnings are still zero as I have not uploaded any video. Here my earnings will show after I will upload my videos. Let's come back to YouTube. You can see all the menu. Understand? It is the main page of it. Let's come on to YouTube and search funny animal videos. Let's see, funny animal videos. You can select anything that you want to upload, but it is recommended. Here I can select any random video like it's cat video. It's very crazy, so I am going to share and then copy the link and come to any of the video downloader. You can also find any website on Google or install any video downloader on Play Store. YouTube video downloader. Let's see. Select on the second website you will see, and then paste the link and select download. Okay, our video is downloaded, and you can select any category to download. Here we will upload the video. Still my video is downloading. Come back to Rumble and select the plus sign, upload video. Here select on it and select the video you want to upload. Let's see. Done. Here we put our related video title and description. Okay, I selected a funny cat info. Let's see, here is description. You can select any description like long or short, it is up to you. And then select the category, it is entertainment, and then select any of the thumbnail, or you can make a thumbnail, custom thumbnail, and select the visibility to public or unlisted, what you want. Here also you can select the tags. Please select the related tags and upload. Okay, it is going to upload. Then check the marks. Okay, you can see in here you are going to exclusively send on it or other platforms. Here I can see it is optional, you can select it or not. Okay, you can see here you can select it or not. Then I will submit it. It is going to submit. Okay, so I'm going back to home. Say here. Okay, my content. Let's see. Here's my video that I have just uploaded, and its monetization is pending. Soon it will be uploaded and monetized, and I will get money for every view that I get. Okay, guys.
You understand? So subscribe my YouTube channel and like the video. See you in the next video.